Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. It wasn't yesterday, actually. It was last week before winter break. Scholars, what an amazing job you did preparing for the Hootie Bowl. Those 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, you did an amazing job during the Hootie Bowl, showing team and family. Nice job. Also, scholars, we have 9 Royal Readers and we're looking for some more. Our Royal Reader celebration, our next one, is December 17th, so read, and test, test. As we prepare for our winter break, make sure that you're prepared and ready for our semester exams for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, December 7th, 8th, and 9th. Also, next Monday is our drawing for perfect attendance for the month of November. Can't wait to see who our winner is. Have a great day. Today's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!